PIAA Corporation has been the acknowledged global leader in the design and manufacturing of world-class, race-proven products for more than 50 years. The LP-530 lamp kit is another innovative lighting product from PIAA. The main feature of the LP-530 is our reflector-facing technology, otherwise known as RFT. This is accomplished by facing two 3-watt LEDs directly at the reflector and utilizing the entire reflector surface. The ultimate result is a much more precise beam pattern and better overall output. This is especially true when compared to other forward-facing LEDs on the market, which require more LEDs and amperage draw to come close to the performance of our LP-530. The other features include a multi-surface reflector, 6000 K color temperature, and a protective black mesh grille, which make this lamp one of the sharpest looking on the market today. With a cast aluminum housing, non-breakable polycarbonate lens, and low amperage draw, the LP-530 is sure to give you years and years of worry-free performance. This lamp is available in both a 20-degree driving beam pattern, which will give you more light down the road and accent the vehicle's high beams, or a SAE certified fog configuration, which will provide more light in front and to the sides of the vehicle and accent the vehicle's low beams. All kits come complete with 2 lamps, mounting hardware, and an easy-to-install pre-assembled wiring harness, which includes the switch, relay, and fuse. PIAA lamps all carry a 2-year limited warranty from the date of purchase. For more information or to find a dealer near you, check us out at www.pia.com or give us a call at 1-800-525-7422.